Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to change your Facebook page admin, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your Facebook account, or you can go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now when you are on an account that is associated with your Facebook page, you can simply click on that account icon at the top right corner. Now from here you can click on see all profiles, where you can find all of your pages. So choose that page you want to change the admin. For example, this one here. So I'm going to choose this page here. So from here you have to do is simply click on this profile icon at the top right corner, and from here you can simply go to this profile here of your page. So when you are on your page's profile here, you can find professional dashboard. Simply click on it. So from here you can find at the right side, you can find the page status, you can find page access. So simply click on it, where you can manage your all the access. You can manage the admin or moderator or any of the, you can add also the community manager from here. So you have to do is simply first to remove the past admin, you have to add a person as an admin. So simply click on add new, where you can find the next here and simply search for the name that you want to add. Like I'm going to search for a name from here. So you can just simply click on it, and from here you have to do is give access from here. Yeah, so simply click on give access, and after when you simply click on give access, you have to enter your password to confirm. Then after entering the password, you have to simply click on confirm, and that person needs to accept your invitation. So when they accept your invitation, you can do is you can simply click on this three dot button here to that past admin. So simply you can find remove access, where you have to enter your password and simply click on confirm, and you are good to go to add a new admin on that page or transfer the ownership or the adminship of this administratorship of this page. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.